Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, unable to change taskbar color in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Colors. Choose your color to custom. Choose your default Windows mode to dark. Choose your default app mode, either light or dark. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.